Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
For today's class, I'm going to teach you how to make garlic bread. The ingredients we're going to be using are slices of French baguette. Along, we got melted butter, minced garlic, grated Parmesan, Italian seasoning, garlic and onion powder, and for today's, salt and pepper. Now, before we begin, let's see what this week's helper is. Gregory,
All right.
you're up.
Yes.
Alright, let's start with our garlic butter. First, we take our minced garlic and add it to melted butter.
All right.
Next, we add in our seasonings.
Mm-hmm.
First, the Italian seasoning, then the garlic powder, next the onion powder, a few shakes of salt, and a few dashes of pepper. And mix it all in like so. Just give it some more. Just give it a little more butter. Alright, now we take this our baguette. Now you take in our slice of our French baguette. Scoop up some of our garlic butter mixture. And spread it on the bread.
Me too.
Next,
Yeah,
we take
sure,
our
my mom.
Next, we top up our garlic bread with grated Parmesan.
I'm listening.
It was attached.
I love
garlic
garlic.
Alright, let's see. First, we take our French baguette.
I'm listening. All right. Nice and straight.
Grab a spoonful of garlic butter.
Okay.
Spread it onto our toast.
Watch my fingers.
Now see you try.
Okay. I got it. All right. Just a little bit.
Alright. Now pour it on our bread slice. And spread like bread on butter.
Okay, and jelly too. Toast and jam.
And try using the other side.
Okay, close enough.
Should you say toast enough?
Okay. Makes sense to me. Makes sense.
Alright then.
Okay.
Next, you take our grated Parmesan.
All right.
Sprinkle it on our bread slice.
All right. Oops, sorry.
Still learning.
Yeah, shake it off.
Alright, that's enough Taylor Swift.
Huh?
Next, you take. Alright, cowboy. Next, you take our Texas toast and
Okay.
put it on our oven.
Okie dokie. Alright.
Alright, now we take our garlic bread out of the oven.
Okay.
Make sure you're warming it up a bit while doing this.
Alright.
If doing a bare panic can leave you a serious burn.
Oh no. That sounds hot. Yeah, hot. Hot.
Put some hot garlic bread onto this plate.
Yummy.
This one is promote yourself. I do have to create an account. This one's got a little bit that one's got 1,700. That's fantastic. Yeah. No, I was gonna show you a picture of when I can do it. You know, it is possible. Look at that, yeah.
Is that everyone? That's how you make some delicious cheesy garlic bread.
Alright.